Hello, so in this video I will show you the quiz that I created for Disqus commenting system. You probably might be familiar with Disqus, but in case you do not know what Disqus is, then here is the Disqus on one of the website. Disqus is a commenting system and you can put that on your website. Thousands of websites use Disqus, so Disqus is quite popular. What my software do is it take questions and post that question for the users to answer, and then after some time it answers the question. It's basically quiz for Disqus. So this software is useful for educational websites where students gather to learn something. So you can use this software to post question and wait for your users to answer those questions, and after some time the software will automatically provide the answer, and then your students can verify whether they have answered it correctly or not. So there's not much to show in the software. This software has been created in Java, and that is why it has just one file, which is a jar file. It doesn't even have a user interface. You have to operate this software from the command line, but it works on almost all operating system. I am right now using Ubuntu, but I think you would be using Windows operating system or maybe Mac operating system, and it works everywhere. Java works everywhere, and since the software has been made in Java, it also works everywhere. Let me show you what the other files are. So here is the configuration files. You have to provide your Disqus credentials in this file. Also you have to tell which Disqus thread you want to post in. If you do not know what Disqus threads are, let me show you. So here is this website, and there are so many different pages on this website. So how do we know on which page we want to do the quiz? That is determined by the Disqus thread number. Every Disqus has a thread number, so depending on that it will determine which page or which website it is going to post your quizzes. So those also, it has the option to control the number of options in your quiz. So let me show you one thing. So this is the PDF that I downloaded from internet a few days ago, and this PDF has question and 5 options for that question. But some of the PDFs have 4 options, some have 3 options, and some do not even have any option. They just have question and answer, question and answer. So you can control all that by controlling the number of options in your configuration files. So all those kind of details you have to set that in the configuration file. I cannot show you the content of the configuration file because it has my username and password, and I do not want to use some video editing software to blur those details. That consumes a lot of time, and that is why I prefer not to show you. But it's just a boring file, boring XML file where you have to put in all the details that it asks for. That's it. There's nothing too fancy about there. In these 2 folders you have to put your questions and answers. Now let me show you how to operate. To operate, first you have to open your terminal. If you are using Windows, then you have to open your command line. They all work in the same way. Then you have to write Java, then -jar, and then give the name of this jar file. So it's Disqus Quizzer. Now you have to give the number of seconds you want to wait for your students to answer the question. So let me say 10 seconds. And then finally you have to press enter. Now once you press enter, it will ask questions like asked a question, and now it's going to wait for 10 seconds and then provide the answer. So it provided the answer. Asked another question, it will wait for another 10 seconds and then will provide the answer. This will continue until all the questions in the PDF are finished. If you want to start from some say 20th question, if you want to start from 20th question, then you can give it this way. Okay, so let's start from the 20th question, and here we are from the 20th question. Though it says question number 1, but it's the 20th question in the PDF. Here you can see here Amit Pangal won a gold medal. So we started from 20th question. And other thing I want to show you, that if you want to say start from the 20th but go only to the 30th, then also it can do. Maybe I can do some short one, like start from the 20th but go to 22. So it will ask for 20, 21 and 22, just 3 questions. So this is the 20th question. Then it will ask for 21st question and then 22nd question, and then it will automatically stop. So 20th, and this is 20th, and this is 21st, and then there will be one more questions, and then the software will automatically stop. You can go faster than 10 seconds, you can go 5 seconds, in fact you can go up to 0 seconds, but I suggest not to go too fast, because if you go too fast then Disqus may think that you are spamming their system, and they may even either block you or they may put you into some spam category. You can see here that it posted all the solution and then automatically stopped. Okay, so I was telling you that you can go faster than 10 seconds, but I suggest not to go faster than 10 seconds because Disqus may put you into spam category or they may block you. So it's better not to go too fast. Be reasonable, stay in the limit of 10 to 20 seconds. That's a good idea. So that's all was for this software. I hope that you enjoyed watching the demonstration of this software, and if you want to get this software for your educational websites, then please contact me in the comment section below. And again, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it, and if you know anybody else who might be interested in the software, please share this video with that person. Again, thanks, and see you next time. Bye.